Welcome to Adam Auto Group, Chicago's trusted dealership. Here's a look at a great in our collection. A pre-owned 2017 Lexus is 300. This Lexus is powered by all-wheel drive, 3.5-liter engine, automatic transmission and has 120,811 miles. Experience affordable luxury with a used 2017 Lexus is 300. Its dynamic performance, high-end interior, and remarkable safety features make it the perfect blend of style and reliability. Pre-loved, pre-inspected, and price negotiable. This pre-owned is 300 comes with many comfort and luxury, entertainment, and safety, so let's take a look at them. In comfort and luxury, this car comes with leather seats, keyless entry, AC, power windows, power locks, power seats, power mirrors, heated steering wheel, heated front seats, push-button start, alloy wheels, ground view camera, climate control, seat position memory. To keep you entertained, this Lexus is 300 is equipped with touch screen, Bluetooth, navigation, smart device integration. Safety was put first by the following features: blind spot monitor, electronic stability control, ESC, traction control, forward collision warning, lane departure warning, pedestrian automatic emergency braking, tire pressure monitoring system, adaptive cruise control, crash imminent braking, CIB, backup camera, lane keep system, park assist, active safety system, daytime running light. Visit us to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to like and follow our channel to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.